Okay, it's February 29th, 2012. It's leap day. And we're finally getting a good storm. That's pretty. Let's see if I can show you. Cucumber seeds are growing. Not sure if you can see them. Oh yeah, you can see them. Those are Armenian cucumbers. The regular ones aren't coming out yet. There's some, these are little tomato plants. You can just barely see the little tomato plants coming out. Nothing's happening with the bell peppers yet. And got some more tomato plants over here. You can see them in there. Yep. It's fun stuff.